Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install the steering wheel cover. So the one I ordered is the original letter, so it is already pre-installed, you don't need to worry about the size, you just order for your car. I will leave the link in the description. So you can order artificial or genuine leather. I definitely recommend real leather because it will last longer and it is only $25. The instruction manual came into Chinese, but will not need it, and then you get also the thread and 2 needles and double tape. You will see later for what. And this plastic part I didn't use. And we will need 1 scissors, which does not come in the box. So to begin with, you see I had these plastic covers, so I need to remove them. Maybe you will not have them if you didn't install before. So you need only to remove this top 2. Actually, you don't need to remove this lower one, which I also removed. And don't worry about the glue, you can put the glue back from the double tape that you receive in this box. So like I said, this lower part maybe you don't need to remove because the leather cover will not come to that part. So what I did before installing leather cover, I disinfected all the areas. I advise you also to do the same, so you don't stick this dirty wheel below the real leather. And then you can just put this real leather. So don't worry if it feels that it is a bit smaller. Just put some force and stretch it. So I was afraid that I ordered the wrong car, but no, it just needed to apply a bit of force and then it was good. And as you can see, this one is good because it already has all the things already cut for the right steering wheel size, so you don't need to worry about anything. It is very easy to do it yourself for your car. And you can check the store in the description of this video to check the availability of the leather for your car. In the instruction manual they advise to put this double tape directly on the leather, but I put it, as you can see here, I put it on the steering wheel, so it doesn't matter really. Maybe it's also a good idea to put it directly on the leather. Just the important thing is don't remove the other side until you are sure that it is the proper size and you fit it properly. You don't need to put this glue on each point. I just put it on the intersection points of the steering wheel. In regards to the length of the thread, I saw one video they are advising to put double size, like exactly as you need, but as soon as I started stitching it, I realized this is very short, so don't do the same mistake that I did. You actually need longer size, and don't worry, you have plenty of thread available, so don't worry that you will be left without the thread. So you need actually for 1/4 of the steering wheel, you need 1/2 of the steering wheel. So measure, as you can see here, measure 1/2 of double size, and then that will be enough for 1/4 of stitching. So as you can see, to start, you can start in the exact hole where it is available, so don't make a new holes. You have a hole here where already this red thread is stitched, so you just start here. And my advice is in the intersection of the steering wheel, don't skip any of these. So as you can see here, I skipped, when you go to the longer size, you will skip every second, you will just stitch. But later on I realized it is better to do on each point. And as you can see, this glue again, I put a bit more, so only on the intersections, so it will be easier to work. Just make sure you perfectly aligned it, and then you can glue it, and this will help you to start with the process. So like I said, you can, in the intersection, you can put to every hole. Don't skip them in the beginning, and then later on you can skip, and it will be even nicer when you skip some of these. You will see that also later on. So to begin with, it is very easy. In the beginning I was a bit suspicious that I will be able to do it myself, but don't worry, just once you get look and feel like, you can do it easily yourself, and try to see from this video how you can do every second row to stitch, and it will look really nice. And don't worry if you apply a bit of force. Basically, you will need to do that to be able to make it nice and tight. Don't worry if you apply, it will not snap. So this thread is really hard and strong, so don't worry, you apply a bit of pressure to make it nice and tight. Then just continue in the similar fashion. So I advise you start with the smaller portion of the steering wheel, like I did here. So you first do the lower two parts of the steering wheel, and then you can do the top one, because for the top one you will have a lot of thread available, so it will be a bit hard to manage it if you didn't had any experience before. So build your experience on the smaller part of the steering wheel, and then you can do the top one also. Another advice is, when you make the stitching, don't worry even if it is not that tight, so you can always come back and make it a bit more tighter. So just don't be lazy if you see it is not very tight. Just come back and make it a bit more tight. So you don't need to remove the thread again, just these parts that you already stitched, come back and with your finger do them a bit more force, and it will be perfectly aligned. Then again, here on the intersection, as you can see, again I put some glue. So when you are doing with glue, just be careful that you don't make any uneven part, because it will stay like that. So make sure to make it straight and nice, and then just continue stitching as before. Once you come to the edges, it will take a bit of time, so don't worry, just be patient. And like I said, once you come to the edges, do every single stitch, so don't skip them, because it will be more tighter, and for me personally it looks nicer. So what I did to this end, as you will see in the video, because I cannot put it, if you have maybe a Golf 7 or a Jetta 7, you will have this plastic part here. So here you can put this real letter under that plastic part, but for this Jetta 6 it is not possible. So what I did, I stitched both lower and upper part in the same way. So from behind the wheel I have the stitches around this T part, which is maybe not, it does not look nice, but it made it really good strength, and it was perfectly fit. And then once I put this plastic part on top of it again, it looks really nice. You don't see any problems with like with the real letter left somewhere, so it will not be good under your hand. So everything is perfect. Here you can see the look of 1/4 of the steering wheel that we completed. So in the same way, let's just complete the other part. Again, this shorter quarter do first, and then leave the top part for the end. So again, on the T intersection, you can see that I did again glue. It will make your life easier, and just again make sure to make it straight and perfect, so it will not have any uneven parts at the end. Continue stitching, and once you come to the final top part, so for the final top part you need the length of the thread completely double side of the whole steering wheel. So and then again start with the smaller parts. Once you start, don't skip any of the stitches, and be very patient about the top part, because the thread length will be very long, so you will need to have time. You will need to take some time until you make it back and forth, but with the final results I was really satisfied. So it was definitely worth the pain, which took like several hours for me. Maybe it will be quicker, but for me it took several hours. So this is the final look, and I'm really satisfied. Under the hand, once you start driving, it's really nice. I will show you that later on, but now let's remove these covers. So as you can see, I put the double tape again, the new one, fresh one, and you can just glue it back. So I had one video specifically for this, how to install it. Some people like it, some people don't, but I still kept it. It gives a bit more look and feel to the steering wheel. And again, similarly, do the top parts in the same way. So if you like these plastic parts, you can also order them from AliExpress. For them I will also leave the link in the description of this video. And you can see here now the final look of the steering wheel. I'm really satisfied with the look. It looks really, let's say, sport look, and under the hand for driving it is way much better feeling than before. So you will see now the demonstration once you drive how it looks. So like I said, I feel the better grip, and the overall look, it's really good. So I think definitely it's worth investing $25 for the real leather and have this look of the steering wheel. So here we can see pictures before and after. So this is one picture before, and this is after. So in my opinion it is very better, and this is the look before without the real leather. So you see, this is the main reason why I changed. I was annoyed by this part which faded away, so that is why I put this new real leather, and like I said, the look, I'm really satisfied. So that will be all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, and until next time, assalamu alaikum.